nagiging trending lately yung tungkol sa ating mental health. It's okay not to be okay. But, let us not stay that way. Labas po tayo. Galaw-galaw po tayo. Dasal tayo. Yung bigat sa ating puso, isuko natin sa Diyos. Yung marami nating iniisip, iaalay natin sa Diyos. Let us make ourselves busy with our relationship with God. Remember this, if you are going through some tough times right now, you are never alone. Tingin ka sa paligid mo, marami dyan hindi nagsasalita. Marami sa atin dito hindi nagkikwento, pero may kanya-kanyang buhat na krus. May kanya-kanyang laban na pilit itinatawid. God sees you. God feels you. God cares for you. God is with you. Please, huwag po sumuko at bumitaw agad.